Blessing in the name of Most High Adonai, Yahweh our Elohim. Genealogies of Genesis, Part 4. There are 10 genealogies in the book of Genesis, book of Barashit. In Hebrew language, Tol Dot mean genealogies. First 5 genealogies belong to Genesis chapter 5 to chapter 11, and last 5 parts of genealogies belong to Genesis chapter 12 to 50. First, genealogy of heavens and earth. Genesis chapter 2 verse 4 and chapter 4 verse 26. Genesis chapter 2 verse 4. These are the generation of the heavens and of the earth when they were created, in the day that the Yahweh Elohim made the earth and heavens. Earth and the heavens. Second, genealogy of Adam and his family. Genesis chapter 5 verse 1 and chapter 6 verse 8. Genesis chapter 5 verse 1. This is the Cepher of the generation of Adam, or you can say this is the book of generation of Adam. Third, genealogy of Noah and his family. Genesis chapter 6 verse 9 and chapter 9 verse 29. Genesis chapter 6 verse 9. These are the generation of Noah. Here the brief history of Noah and his family. Fourth, genealogy of Noah's sons. Noah's sons. Genealogies of Noah's sons. Genesis chapter 10, chapter 11, verse 9. Chapter 10, Genesis chapter 10, verse 1. First verse of chapter 10, book of Genesis. Now these are the generations of sons of Noah. Shem, Ham, and Japheth. Noah's sons. Shem, Ham, and Japheth. 3 sons of Noah. This is the brief history about the family of Noah. Number 5. Genealogies of Sham's family. Genesis chapter 11 verse 10 to 26. These are the generations of Shem. Here the history of Shem's family. Number 6, genealogy of the Terah and Abraham. Genesis chapter 11 verse 27 and chapter 25 verse 11. Genesis chapter 11 verse 27. Now these are the generation of Terah. This is the history of Abraham and his family. Number 7, genealogies of number 7, genealogy of Ishmael. Genesis chapter 25 verse 12. Now these are the generations of Ishmael, Abraham's son. Here the history of Ishmael family. Number 8, genealogies of Yitzhak, son of Abraham. Genesis chapter 25 verse 19 and chapter 35 verse 29. And these are the generation of Yitzhak, son of Abraham. Here the history of Yitzhak and his family, and we all know very well, Yitzhak is the son of Abraham. Number 9, genealogy of Esau. Genesis chapter 36 verse 1 and chapter 37 verse 1. Genesis 36 verse 1. Now these are the generation of Esau, who is Edom. Esau known as Edom in Bible history and Bible. Here the brief history of Esau and his family. Number 10, genealogy of Yaakov and his family. Genesis chapter 37 verse 2 and chapter 50 verse 26. Genesis 37 verse 2. These are the generations of Yaakov. This is the brief history of Yaakov and his family. So these are the 10 generation book of Genesis. In our next sessions, we will talk briefly about these generations, and we will see and we will discuss what is the role of these genealogies in the plan of mankind's salvation. What is the part of in the plan of salvation which YHWH ElOHIM made for us? So for today, I think this is enough. In next session, we will briefly discuss about genealogies, families one by one. Keep me in your prayers. YHWH ElOHIM bless you all. Shalom.